All right, everybody, it's time to talk about how to edit some points. Now, points are fairly easy to edit. There's a number of different ways you can edit them. You can edit them through the points list if you want. So I can select the points section up here in my prospector tab, and I can edit points by clicking inside any of these cells here. I can also edit points a number of other different ways, particularly if I need to go based on a point group. I can select the point group and find only those points in that group that I can edit. Now, there's might be situations where you don't want points to be manipulated, edited in any way. And in that case, what you can do is you can right click on the point group and you can go ahead and select lock points. And what that does is adds this funky little icon there that says do not edit. So nobody can touch these points no matter how hard they double click, they're not getting edited. Okay, the other option is if I unlock those, I can lock the point group. So I can come down and right click on that point group and select lock. That means no other points can be added or removed to this point group. It is locked in place. All right, so that's some good ways to safeguard your points. Now, like we mentioned, you can right click double click inside any of these cells down here, or you can also right click on the point group itself and go edit points, and that'll bring up your panorama window, and you can edit the points in a more categorized in a little window here if you like. And the other option is you can directly manipulate them off the screen. So if you go ahead and you select a point, you've got a little icon down here, the little diamond icon. You can go ahead and select that and move it around if you want. So that'll move that point directly. You can also use your regular AutoCAD move command by selecting that option, hitting M enter, and then go ahead and typing in northing and easting, or a azimuth and distance, or any other way that you want to move that point using straight AutoCAD commands. You can also select a group of points off the screen. So if I go ahead and select a group of points here, I can right click and I can go ahead and go edit points, and it'll bring up only those points that I've selected in my editor box, and I can make some changes there. And also note that if I select a point, my menus change to contextual menus, and I have features here and tools that will are only directly related to editing and manipulating points. Also note that if I need to renumber some points, I can go ahead and select a point group if I want, and then go ahead and select the points that I would like to renumber. I can renumber them manually by double clicking inside the point number column, or I can right click and I can go renumber, and it'll ask me enter an additive factor for the point number. So if I wanted to add 1,000 onto those, I can add 1,000 and it'll be 1,001, 1,002, etc., etc. And then those points will probably end up at the bottom of my list there with my new point numbers renumbered. Okay, so that's about it for editing points. Fairly simple. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.